In this video, let me show you how you can close the roaming on your iPhone. So on the home screen, if you swipe down from the top right corner, you can see which network, which carrier you are connected to. So for me, I'm connected to that one. And in order to make changes related to the roaming, we actually have to find the main settings app like this. And from the options, we need to click on a cellular. Of course, you need to have the SIM card set up so it all shows up in here. But below, you can manage all of the different things. So I'm going to click on a cellular data options. And in there, you get to enable or disable data roaming. So as you can see, it's just one toggle. And at the top, I can enable the roaming like I'm doing right now. So I'm going to click on a turn on a data roaming like that. And now it is active. So while I travel and go to a different country, I am able to connect to their network and start using cellular data. This, of course, depends on the carrier and the plan you have selected. You know, they might charge you for it, so definitely be careful with it. But if you are sure that you can use it, then this is where you enable it. And if you want to stop the cellular data in a roaming, then again, you just disable it like that, and that's it. So of course, outside of that, we can manage some different things as well. If you specifically want to manage roaming, not just in terms of the internet, but in terms of like the network which you connect to, you can also go to network selection and disable the automatic one. So it actually forces the phone to look for the networks manually. I personally like to do it this way. When I travel to a new country, I go to this and I just pick the network, the carrier based on my preferences. So this is how I would recommend you to do it, to like enable or disable the roaming. That's how you can do this. You can always switch back to the network which you wanted to have. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.